Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you how to change your third brake light in your RSX.
A few moments later.
Pull this off. This is the release. Make sure there's nothing up in there. I'm an idiot. I'm so stupid. You just have to pull this off. I was under the impression you were going to have to take this whole thing out because of where this is located. No, just pull the trunk release off. Oh my God. Okay, so once you've pulled the trunk release off, you just reach up in here and twist this bulb out. There we go. It just needed a little bit more encouragement than I was giving it. So this bulb, 7440 as well. I thought this was going to be a much smaller bulb, actually. I thought it was going to be these little 194s that I have. I've got a bunch of these little 194s kicking around. I'm silly. I am just silly. I think any one of these will work. These are not my favorite LEDs, but they'll do the job. All right, that does fit. So now we'll just have to test it. Let's try it like this. I'm going to shut the garage door. Maybe I'll be able to tell it a little bit easier. Okay, that is not the correct way. Let's flip her around. This may not work at all. I might have to like turn the car on. Nope. You guys see that? See it's working? All right, let's get the car put back together. I cannot believe I took everything apart on this thing. Why didn't somebody say something? We're just gonna let me do it, huh? I see how it is. I see how y'all play. I'll remember that next time. I'm gonna have a really cool video idea. I'm just not gonna do it. I just put the cover plate back on. Oh my God. I swear, I just thought it was a lot more involved. I didn't know it was gonna be a 2-second job. I wouldn't have even filmed anything. That's probably why there's no videos of this on YouTube, because no one else is as stupid as I am. Let's do something different now.